Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. The saddest shit is I'm bad as it. These they took from the cabinet.
Gate to hell.
Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back. We can do this. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone around.
You good?
Yeah, go.
Edwin! Time for you to go in! You feel me?
We're at Worcester State today.
Yeah.
We're gonna go to Spider Gates.
Yeah. Oh shit. What's in your car?
What?
My name's Ayden Pugliese. What's your name?
Pablo.
Can we do a what's in your car?
Yeah, coins, deodorant,
Alright.
sweatshirt, gum.
Shit.
Yeah, not much. No.
This your shit? At this age, how are you able to afford this car? What do you do for a living?
What do I do for a living? Work at Shaw's, you know?
Oh
It's the
shit.
big shit, you know?
Yeah, for sure. A strip check.
You know, shoes, 130, you know?
Yeah.
Socks, 20,
Alright.
you know?
Those are
Shorts,
nice shorts.
60, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shirt, like 10 bucks.
Oh, I see the bling. I see the bling.
The chain, 2,000.
2,000?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Alright, gang. So nice to meet you, bro. Alright, we're playing some tunes here.
For sure.
Oh shit.
You never go wrong, Keith Sweat.
Oh god.
Song's so good.
Bro, I had this chick observing me, and I observed her. This bitch was 6'2". What the fuck is up?
Come on.
What the fuck is up? You already know the fucking vibe. We want to Spider Gates.
Spider Gates is it?
Spider Gates is basically this.
Spider Gates is basically this haunted cemetery that people has hanged themselves there before. Guggo was telling me the story because he used to work right near it. People get possessed.
It's ranked top 10 haunted places in Massachusetts.
Is it really?
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight.
Yeah.
Your nose is fine.
We're here at Spider Gates. As you can see, you have to go on the trail to get to the cemetery. Like, that's not some usual cemetery.
Okay, let's go. Have a piece of gum.
Thanks.
Just took a piss on that demon back.
Spider Gates Cemetery is a small Quaker cemetery located in Leicester, Mass.
Yo, stop killing out our government.
Which is known as the, get ready, 8th gate to hell.
You never told me this.
You didn't hear that? Brad and Tracy were saying that.
Nah.
Alright, it's the most frequently visited spots in the state. This ain't even saying
What the
anything.
fuck are those signs?
Hold on, let me find something scary. Referred to the main gate as the 8th gate to hell, saying that if you pass through, the gate will take your soul to meet the devil with himself.
I'm not passing that shit. Hell no. Is that the gate?
Yeah. Man, this bullshit. Dude, you're scared here at night.
Yo, you're standing on my man's right now. Baby Cora? That bitch was one.
What's down here?
What?
It's so beautiful.
On God.
Where we at, little huge?
Basically, where the fuck we're at Cook's Pond. Well, we're going to Cook's Pond. We don't know. Like, we're trying to see if the jump rope's open.
Jump rope. Rope swing, silly.
Rose. Okay, it's pretty valid, like, if it's open or not. But we're in the fucking middle of nowhere. I hear fucking goats right now. Oh shit! That's the thing that's at John's house. Bah. Bah.
Look at these fucking chickens. That's a lot of chickens.
Look at the.
Look at all those chickens.
No, that's a duck, right?
Those are ducks.
Oh, okay.
Geese are like
Yeah.
brown.
How much to go catch one?
Bro, you're not catching one. You know how fast those things are?
Bitch, I've caught one before.
Cat.
I swear to God, I'm my mom's.
Go!
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Ow!
Why did you just take it? Why did you like try to step off it? Blister's so gross.
Huh?
My blister. So gross. Like, look at that. It's open.
Look at that fish right there, bro.
Bro, you're good.
What happened if that's not a snapping turtle?
Oh, Reggie's coming.
Ew, it's so slimy. Yeah, it's your turn, bitch.
I'm gonna do a front flip.
Fuck you not.
I'm not?
Nah.
That's crazy. That's crazy. You don't think I'm gonna do? You don't think I'm gonna do a front flip?
Nah.
Oh!
Oh no, you shook on it.
No, that was an affirmation.
No, fucking go, bitch. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Why were you wiggling like that?
Yeah, it's currently pouring out.
Oh, my ball.
So we saw this thing on TikTok. You get in a black bag and you slide down the hill, you go glide. How do you do this? Damn.
You got like a hood, bro. Oh, shit. I think the wind knocked out.
Shit don't work.
You just ripped all yours though.
Be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. Till 2005. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.